There's an old Swedish saying that if you go through life without obstacles and succeed without any effort, then you're sliding on a prawn sandwich. True story. A prawn sandwich. Now, how in the world can this be a good thing? Take my word for it. Don't try and slide through life on a prawn sandwich.
And with that piece of somewhat random information, I guess, even though we actually do have a saying like that here in Sweden, I've always thought it was super weird. We want to try and make your slide into 2021 as good as possible. 2020 has truly been challenging on many of us, and we're hoping for a really good next year. So we want to celebrate Christmas, end this year as good as possible, and we got contacted by Zeapon, who makes these sliders here, and they said we want to do a giveaway through the channel. You may have seen a video we did in the past on the actual slider part of this, the Micro 2 super compact slider, fits into your camera bag. I use it a lot, it's really lightweight, super quiet. Now they come out with a motor for it as well. And Zeapon has actually had a really interesting year as well that they want to celebrate. They were featured in the behind the scenes video that was shot for the new iPhone that came out this year. And they were super stoked about this and said, we want to celebrate this. We want to give away a slider to one of your viewers.
Is blooming.
So we're going to make this really, really simple. It's going to be an Instagram giveaway. So all you have to do is follow us on Instagram. You have the handles down here. And then tag us in a post that will put you in the draw for the slider. And then on December 31st, on New Year's Eve, we're going to randomly pick the winner of the slider. You can be pretty much anywhere in the world for this, so there's no big limitations or anything. It's super simple. Just don't want to make it a big challenge this year because, well, it's been hard enough, right? So stay safe over the holidays. Take care of your family and friends. And let's beat this whole virus situation and have a great 2021 instead. All right, good luck everyone, and let us know what you think. And see you on Instagram.